let me introduce myself. My name is Revalina Aprilia. In this video, I want to tell about how to write effective business feasibility studies. Okay, let's watch the video. How to write an effective business feasibility study. To put together an effective business feasibility study, here are the steps that can be followed. First, identify the purpose and scope of study. The initial stage is to understand the main objective of the business feasibility study. For example, to determine the feasibility of investment, opening a new business, or expansion. Also determine the scope, the boundaries, and focus of the area to be analyzed to avoid wasting time and resources of irrelevant matter. 2. Analyze the legal aspect. Ensure that the planned business complies with all applicable legal regulation. Identify the required business inquiries, environment, permits, and certification, and ensure that the project does not conflict with zoning regulation or related industry regulation. Legal compliance is important to avoid potential legal issue in the future that could hamper business operation. 3. Analyze market and marketing aspect. At this stage, conduct in-depth market research to determine demand, supply, market trends, and consumer preference. This analysis includes identifying the target market as well as assessing the level of competition. Use the 4P marketing approach: product, price, place, and promotion to develop a marketing strategy that is relevant and attractive to consumer. 4. Financial aspect analysis. Financial projections are the core of feasibility study, which includes cost estimate, revenue, and cash flow projection. Calculation of financial indicator such as net present value or MVP, internal rate or return or IRR, and payback period are important to assess whether the project is financially profitable. Create multiple scenarios such as optimistic, moderated, and pessimistic to anticipate various market and economic conditions. 5. Analyze technical and operational aspect. Here you can evaluate whether the business or project can be implemented technical and operational. This includes site selection, technology, and infrastructure required, as well as the availability of raw material and human resources. Create a detailed operational plan such as production flow, distribution system, and organizational structure. 6. Management and organization aspect. This aspect evaluates the business management and the existing organizational structure. The project to be implemented will be successful if it is managed by professional people, starting from planning, implementation to control. It also studies how the organizational structure is needed in this type of business. 7. Economic and social aspect. The economic aspect is to see how much influence is caused if this project is implemented. What economic impact are caused, such as increase in community income, both those who work in the factory and outside the factory site, and what social impact are caused, such as the affordability of facility and infrastructure such as road, bridges, telephone, water, education, and place of worship. A. Environmental impact analysis aspect. This aspect discusses the issue of the complements of the validity of company document, starting from the form of the business entity to the permits held. Validity is important because it is a basis that can be held if problem occurs in the future. The preparation of an effective business feasibility study involves a thorough analysis of various aspects from market and financial to operational, legal, and risk. The process gives decision makers guidance and confidence in the potential success of the business and provide the foundation for effective planning and strategy. So that was an explanation about how to write effective business feasibility studies. Hopefully useful, and see you!